Finish strong. The October reset. Life is not about how you start, it's about how you finish. We are in the last 3 months. Momentum starts today. Tired or distracted? Your reset button is October. Forget the mistakes. Forget the time you lost. What matters is what you do now. Start the next page. Successful students don't wait. They push harder and focus more. Sacrifice distractions. Momentum is everything. Don't let procrastination steal your future. Begin now. Even 1 extra hour, 1 chapter, 1 small step adds up. Choose effort over excuses, discipline over distraction. Push harder, focus more, stay with the work. Finish this year strong, enter the next with confidence.